Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Lovable AI to build a website. In order to do so, here we are at lovable.dev, and all we have to do to get started, first off, you're going to want to make sure that you log in, and here we can begin typing what it is that we're looking for. So it's really quite straightforward. Let's go ahead and try something out here. Let's do a website for daily AI tool recommendations. Something simple like that. Now, keep in mind that what you go with when it comes to something like this, what you want to create, if it's more involved, then it's going to take a lot more to kind of get in and make sure that everything is working as intended. So you can use this for more simple things and it'll be quite straightforward, but the more complicated your idea, the more you're going to need to spend time with it to really make sure that it does what you want it to do. But we'll go ahead and use something simple here as a demonstration, and we're going to go ahead and hit send. And now here we are, and Lovable is hard at work creating our website. So you can see here that it's spinning up the preview. We've got some options here, some in the left-hand side. This is where you're going to be able to interact with the Lovable AI chatbot. And here Lovable is saying, I'll create a beautiful website for daily AI tool recommendations. This will be a modern, visually appealing site that showcases AI tools with daily updates, ratings, and detailed information. Let me design this with a clean, tech-forward aesthetic using gradients, smooth animations, and intuitive layout. I'll include features like featured tools, categories, ratings, and a newsletter sign-up. So Lovable really kind of run with your idea. You can put in something quite simple, but then it'll make some suggestions. And so if it says anything that you don't want it to do, then you're going to want to put that here in the chat box. You can just specify here exactly what it is that you want Lovable to do for you. And again, just be aware that the more involved your idea, the more that it's going to take some doing. And sometimes the AI can get confused. So it requires you to refine your prompts to fix errors, things of that sort. But you can see here everything that Lovable is doing in order to come up with their idea. And there you go. We already have something here. So this is really cool. Today's featured tool, Claude AI. If you're unfamiliar with Claude, it is a fantastic chatbot that you can use. And this is just a good indication of what you can do with Lovable, and this is really amazing. So here we go. We have more tools here at the bottom, more suggestions, and this is a functional website here. This is something that very straightforward, not many bells and whistles, but that's kind of what we're going for here. And once you're ready to proceed, all you have to do is come up here to the top, and you can see here where it says publish. So we're going to go ahead and click on publish. And here it's going to suggest a name for the website. We'll just go with the suggestion here, but you can edit this if you want. You can use this little pencil icon. Let's go ahead and hit publish. Should just take only a moment. And there you go. So we have just shipped. We have our website ready to go. We could share it on social media. If you want to join our Discord, I will post our websites that we create on the Discord channel. Check out the link tree. You'll find our socials there. We just started with Discord and with X, so we'd love to have you there. Join us. And you can check out on the Discord when we create something like this. We'll post it there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find that link tree, and there you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you are interested in a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. Once you've gotten started, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 straight into your account per referral. It's a fantastic deal to win-win situation. Simply Financial Financial is a wonderful bank and comes highly recommended.